Alright class, my name is Balaji Johnson and I welcome you guys to my class, Graphics Empire. Well, it is not news to you and it is not new to everyone here that this particular platform is created for you and I to learn these skills called graphic design. And I must tell you this fact, that in my class, I'll be teaching you guys the basic things to know about graphics, whether you're a video editor, whether you are a website designer, whether you are a graphic designer, whether you are a printer, whether you have made any career in which you are into. Graphic design is globally recognized, and I must tell you this, almost all the organizations in the world are searching for a graphic designer. So whichever career you might find yourself, graphic design is one of the major skills that you must acquire. So class, I will implore you all to always listen to whatever I drop as a video for you to watch, and also my class is meant for us to interact. Come up with your problem and I will get you the solution. I remain Balaji Johnson, your coach, and also please always like my video, share, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And today we shall be talking about how to make use of our Corel Draw, how to start, the tools, and every other things for you to know. In this class, you're going to know that. Let's go. Alright class, here we go. Now this is a graphical or Corel Draw interface. And when you open yours, whatever version of Corel Draw you are using, it doesn't matter. All it matters is the particular tools that I will be using. I will always making sure that they are also what you have on your own Corel Draw interface. Now, looking at this very design, it's actually made IP on Corel Draw. So though we are still going to talk, or I'm still going to teach you guys on how to do some designs in Photoshop, but I'm going to start with Corel Draw because with Corel Draw, it makes it makes design easy and printable. It makes it easy and printable, and that doesn't mean Photoshop doesn't do that, but they have their own different complexity. Now that we are in Corel Draw interface, here we have file, we have edit, we have view, we have layout, we have object, effect, bitmap, text, view, tools, window, helper, portraits, and this is just the menu toolbar. It is called menu toolbar, and under this menu toolbar we have file, edit, view, and so on and so forth. They are what I call long cut procedure in getting some of the tools in Corel Draw. Long cut procedures in getting some of these tools in Corel Draw. Another file we have new page, open, close all, save as, and so on and so forth. You edit. Then under edit itself, we have undo, redo, cut, paste, copy, delete, and so on and so forth. Then under view, which I don't think you really need much, but for reference sake, we have wireframe, normal, enhance, pixel, full screen. I think the major thing we need here is the full screen. And what does that full screen? What does it do? It makes your beautiful film. It makes the full view of your beautiful design to be seen by your audience or your client. So then your objects is where we have create inserts, power clip. Power clip is also important. Symbol, rollover, copy effect, order, group, and so on and so forth. But what are we advise you to learn here or to take note of this is the power clip. Then we have effects. Well, all these things that you see here are done under effect. But I usually use what is called a shortcut part of the Corel Draw use. So all these things that you see here are what we call effect notes. We have from 3D effect, adjusting your colors, astro glow, config, if, and so on and so forth. Then under here we have bitmap. I think bitmap is majorly used to convert your object into a picture form. You convert your object into a picture form. So what do I mean by picture form? This is just like, for instance, if you want to send your design, or you want to forward your designs without you making it in a raw file, which is Corel Draw file, you have to JPEG it first. You have to convert it into JPEG before it go via PNG or JPEG. So don't forget that bitmap will enable you to convert your object into picture object, and your picture object could be PNG or JPEG. Then here we have text, and the other these text that we advise you take note of this. I will advise you to take note of this. Though we have so many things to learn about that. We have edit text, we have convert to paragraph, For those of us who really want to know about how to do book publishing, I think this particular aspect of it is really needed. But for now, let's talk about templates. And this is what template does. In other templates, you have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, title case, and toggle case. So when I click on this, you see the effect. So that is just it. Then we have people, we have tools, we have windows, and so on and so forth. So that is just that. Remember, I'm just trying to teach you the basic aspects of this Corel Draw interface. Then under here, I think this is the formatting toolbar. Under here, we're talking about the shortcuts to what we have on the menu bar. Here we have new, that is if you want to open a new page to starting your design. Then here you have open, if you want to open any existing file or document or designs in your computer. Then you have here save. You can also save without going to file and doing save and then save. No, the shortcut is available for you. Then here we have print. If you really want to print your job that you design, it is also allowed, in as much as your laptop or your gadget is connected with the particular printer. Then here we have paste, copy and paste. Then here you have undo and redo. By the time you make some mistake or some errors, you can click on that to redo your mistakes or whatever. Then here we have import and export. If you want to import your job or your design from another application, you can make use of all this, so on and so forth. Then here we have the property bar. Here on this property bar, you make use of these sizes, object sizes, page, object position sizes, rotation, then the font that is needed for your project. It can be found under this property bar. Then the size of your font can be, done here, or make use of your, you got it. Make use of this cursor by dragging, using your mouse to drag, or reduce it by using this. So that is that. Then here we have the ruler bar, where ruler bar enables you to, get a particular perfect angle for your job. Once you click and drag it out, you can use it to get a particular perfect angle. Then this is where we are going. And what really actually make Corel Draw one of the best application tool for designs is this very particular tool you are seeing here. And from the left hand side, you must have this thing in your screen. And the first thing there is pick tool. Pick tool. Pick tool enables you to pick whatever object you want to pick on your interface. Without this pick tool, you won't be able to pick whatever thing that is on your platform here. You won't be able to pick it. So this pick enables you to do that. And After that picture, you have this, what we call shape tool. When we talk about logo design, in fact, as a graphic designer, you must know how to use this very particular tool so well in order for you to know how to design a logo for yourself, for a client, or for any other company. And this very particular tool is very essential when it comes to graphic designer. It's very, very essential for us as graphic designer. So the next one is crop tool. Crop tools enables you to crop an object, but I don't think this aspect is really necessary for us. And here we have zoom tool. Zoom tool enables us to zoom in and out whatever objects or whatever designs we are trying to do. It enables us to do all these things, perfectly. For you to design your job, you need this tool to zoom in and zoom out. And also under zoom in and zoom out, there is this particular node there. Once you click it, you have hand tool. It enables you to drag your job left and right, up and down. So that is what the hand tool or pen tool is used for. Then here we have the freehand tool. Freehand tool enables you to draw a certain line. You see, you draw a line, draw lines. So that is what it does for you. Then under that you have rectangular tool. Rectangular tool enables you to draw a box. To draw boxes, Can you see that? This is what it enables you to do. Then under that we have ellipse tool. Ellipse tool enables you to draw circle. You draw circle. You can see, draw ellipse. You can see, and so on and so forth. Then we have a polygon tool. Polygon tool enables you to also draw a kind of angles of different shapes. Yes, angles of different shapes. And let me just tell you this before I move further. With this polygon tool, you can draw a star. With this polygon tool, you can get a star from it. And how do you get that? You go back to your shape tool, and this comes out. Then you click on any of these white nodes. Can you see? You click on any of these white nodes, then you drag, and it becomes a 5-star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star. So you can get that from polygon tool. And if you want to get a multiple ends of stars, all you just need to do is go to your property bar, look at this aspect. By the time you start clicking, we have the upper arrow and the lower arrow. By the time you start clicking it, you get multiple ends of stars. Can you see? So if you don't want to go through the stress, you can as well just type whatever hands of stars or the number of hands of stars that you want, which is 50 hands. So this is how you can actually get it. And if you want to look spiral, you can get it this way. Alright, and we're talking about text. Typing of text. You can't do that, or you can't achieve that without using the text tool. You can't do that without using the text tool. So to type on your Corel Draw interface, you need text tool to do that. Hope you guys are following me. Then I'll further to this aspect. I'll move to this aspect. This is shadow tool. And these are part of the effects that I will also beg you to be attentive to whenever we are using this. I'm talking about shadow tool. This is the effect of it here. This is the effect of shadow here. But you may not see it. It's so faint that you may not see it, but there is a shadow effect on this design. Then there is a shadow effect here. So with this effect, it makes your graphics look so rich and embossed. And it makes you look so presentable whenever you're using or whenever you're designing and you decide to use what is called shadow 2. For instance, let me just give you an instance. Alright. Okay. Then you come to your shadow 2. Then you click from the middle of your object, then drag down. Drag down. Can you see the effect? Then you drag down. So it makes this look pop up, looks embossed, and looks so, so good to the face. Then under there, we have, I think we have so many effects under shadow 2. We have contour, we have blend 2, we have distort, we have envelope, we have extrude, we have black shadow. But before we talk about these effect menus, I'm only going to use, apart from the shadow, I'm going to use envelope tools for you guys. So how do you achieve envelope tools? There are some things that you see and you'll be like, oh, how did they achieve this type of style? How did they achieve it? And this is it. If I want this to be achieved, hope you can see the effect of envelope 2. So you can use it to get whatever style that it suits or that is suitable for your eye. It depends on the kind of concept you are looking at. Like I said in my class, creativity matter. I'm going to teach you how to do that from the concept to the creativity aspects of graphic design. I will teach you guys. But just let's move on to the basic aspects of graphic design. Then here we're talking about this particular thing that enables you to blend 2 or different colors together. And the tool is called interactive tool. This interactive tool will definitely help you in combining 2 or different colors together. For instance, if I want to get a 2 color for this particular object, which is graphics empire, I can, once I drag it, okay, let me zoom it out. Alright, so this is it. You drag from the angle upward. So once you do that, then here we have a node that is telling us that this is white color and this is white color. So what you need to do here is click on it, come here, and choose whatever color. Then you move up, click on it, come here, and choose any color. Can you see that? So it enables you to do all these type of things. You can see the magic here, right? So these are the basic part of Corel Draw application that you need to know as a as a graphic designer. Then before I close for the day, when you come to my right hand side, we have this particular palette here, which is called color palette. So whatever color that you need for your project or for any of your design, you can get it from the color palette. And for some Corel Draw interface, some of the color palette is found beneath. It's found beneath here, this angle. So whichever way your application or whichever style your application is bringing out your color palette, just make sure that whenever you see this, it is called color palette. So it can be found at the right hand side of your Corel Draw interface or the down below of your Corel Draw interface. So this is where I will be ending our class for today. today, and my next part we will be going into what we call graphic designs. Please get yourself and your mind prepared, and make sure you watch this particular video over and over again. And whatever thing you can't really understand, let me know from the comment section. I will be available to put it through and to make sure you know how to design. So God bless you. See you in my next class. Bye.